Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math video with Mr. Enzi. Today, we are going to be taking a look at collecting some more data and using that data to create a tally chart. Oh, and you are also going to play a game called Rock, Paper, Scissors. Let's get started as I shrink myself into the corner. Today we are going to be doing grade 1, lesson 1.8, more organizing data. So let's make sure we understand what the word data means. Now, some people pronounce it data or data. It's kind of like tomato, tomato. So data, I say data. Data is information we collect. So a lot of times we take a vote and we get that data, we get that information. And we learn that a tally chart is a place to put tally marks used to count something. So let's go ahead and collect some data. I'm going to ask you to choose which pet do you like the best. And here are your choices. You have a cat, a dog, or fish. So this tally chart is called Favorite Pets. And here are my pet choices, and then I'm going to be putting tally marks when I count your votes. So you can only vote one time, so you can't vote for the cat and the dog. You have to think, what do I like the best? And then you're going to raise your hand up nice and high so that I can see it. So let's start. Raise your hand if you like the cat the best. Who likes the cat the best? Raise that hand nice and high so I can count. Now I'm going to be using tally marks. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes across, 6 votes. Anybody else for cats? I think I got everybody. Awesome job. Now comes the dog. Raise your hand if a dog is your favorite pet. Keep it up nice and high so I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people like dogs. Awesome job. And then the last one, the fish. Whose favorite animal is a fish? And 1, 2. Awesome. Now, when I go and draw my tally marks, I also like to write the number that it represents. So I'm going to go back to my cats and count them. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6, just so that I know how many it is. For my dog, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the fish, 2. 1, 2. Now, how many like cats? So now I can go back up to my tally chart and I can see how many like cats. We don't have to raise our hands again because we already collected the data. So in my tally chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like cats. How many like dogs? Well, my tally chart, I can look at my dog data and I see 5, 6, 7, 8 like dogs. How many voted in all? Boy, how many kids raised their hands to vote? We have to count every single tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 people voted in all. Now I want to tell you, there's an easier way to count that. I can count my groups of fives. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I did get the same answer because we can count using different strategies. All right, we are going to learn how to play rock, paper, scissors because you are going to get a chance to play that game a lot of times. And every time you play that game, we're going to use tally marks to keep track of who is winning. So let's go ahead and learn how to play rock, paper, scissors.
To play rock, paper, scissors, try to play an item that beats your opponent's item in order to win the game. First, learn the different hand motions for the items. For rock, make a fist with your hand. For paper, hold out your hand flat. For scissors, extend your pointer finger and middle finger. Next, learn which items beat each other. Rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper, and paper beats rock. To play, find an opponent and stand facing each other, with one hand flat in front of you and your other hand making a fist on your palm. Then count down by saying, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. On shoot, play either a rock, paper, or scissors with your hand. Whoever makes the winning item with their hand wins. If both of you choose the same item, it's a tie. To play for longer, keep track of who wins each round. Then whoever wins the most rounds out of 3 wins the game.
All right, so here's what you are going to be doing in your seesaw activity. You are going to find somebody to play rock, paper, scissors with. And you're going to play that game 30 times. Now, you're also going to keep track of your score. So look how we're going to do this. So you're going to keep a tally chart. And if the rock wins, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put the tally mark where the rock is. If the paper wins, you're going to put the tally mark where the paper is. And if the scissors wins, you're going to put the tally mark where the scissors is located. And remember, if you and your partner show the same hand symbol, we call that a tie. So you would put the tally mark in the tied game box. So remember, you're going to play rock, paper, scissors 30 times. And after every game you play, whichever hand symbol wins, you're going to go ahead and put a tally mark in your tally chart. All right, my first grade mathematicians, go ahead and get started. Find somebody to play rock, paper, scissors. Have a great day. We'll see everybody soon.